Hi, it's Carl Marchese with 5-Box Enclosures. A while back we showed you how easy it is to mount your ARCA on a pole with the pole mount kit. But we had a question from Lee Brooks with PMA who wanted to know how much weight you could put on an ARCA. Now officially, the answer is you're not supposed to put that much weight on these things. But in reality we know that people are going to step on enclosures, and OSHA says that's a no-no, and we respect that. However, we also know that the world's an imperfect place. So although we do not recommend doing this, we're going to show you that you can withstand a fair amount of weight on one of these. Now, the brass inserts on the back of the enclosure are rated to handle about 250 pounds. I weigh a bit more than that. So we're going to take a quick look if somebody could stand on their ARCA. Okay then. So, to recap, don't do what I just did, but if you absolutely have to get on top of the enclosure, like San Papalone, bulls are charging by, wild hogs are running through the street, it can handle at least 250, 265 pounds. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at talk@5boxusa.com. I'm Carl Marchese with 5-Box Enclosures.